What's up my mates of YouTube, my name is Aussie Marcel, the most luscious locks on YouTube, and in today's video I'm going to be talking about a bunch of different stuff. I'm going to be talking about my fragrance of the day, I'm going to be talking about this cool vegan gum that I found, and I'm also going to be talking about essential men's fragrances that every man should start with if they don't own anything else. What am I going to start with? Obviously, fragrance of the day, and that is Nike Man Blue. This is a clone of Jean-Paul Gaultier's Ultra Male. It is potent, it is beastly, and I got this for $10 at Chemist Warehouse. And I can safely say it was the best it has been so far, I should clarify, that it's been the best $10 that I've ever spent on a fragrance. I've gotten so many compliments on this, it's ridiculous. If you are after Jean-Paul Gaultier's Ultra Male, but you do not want to pay $200 a bottle from eBay or wait for some ridiculous release window and wait outside of a store just to pick up a bottle of fragrance, definitely check out Nike Man Blue. This is just incredible. It's sweet, it's fruity, it's got a little bit of warm spiciness to it. It's dense, but not being without being too dense, sort of like I'll use these as an example again. Invictus and Invictus Aqua. I find that the density of those fragrances are just too much, too overwhelming, too overpowering. This is that perfect level of density. You know, it hangs around, but it's not, you know, it's not engulfing. So yeah, if you haven't tried this one, definitely check it out. Alrighty then. So I was in my local supermarket yesterday and I chew a lot of gum, and I've sort of, you know, I'm trying to eliminate all the unnecessary sort of unvegan things from my life. And yeah, so I found True Gum. I don't know if like regular gum is vegan or not. I'm just going to assume it is because, you know, it's just chemicals and shit anyway. But yeah, True Gum. Biodegradable, which is always a positive thing. It's not just going to stick on a sidewalk and stay there for decades, you know. I'm not the only person that spat a piece of gum on the ground like during school and then has like gone past that exact area decade later and then still seen that exact piece of gum there. We've all been there, I'm sure. And it's friggin' disgusting. Don't spit your gum out anyway. But I was a kid back then, so kids are dumb. Speaking from experience here. And yeah, so this is plastic-free gum. The brand is True Gum. It's vegan, it's biodegradable. And it says, a plastic-free, vegan and biodegradable chewing gum free from sugar, aspartame, and artificial flavors. And here we go. It's got interesting packaging. The other flavors I can remember were ginger and turmeric. And I think there was a mint one as well. I can't remember the rest of them, but yeah. So it's got 4 calories a serve, which isn't bad. It's made in Denmark, and the ingredients, I'll put them up here. So if you can see them, if you want to read them, try to get it in focus. There we go. Probably of no interest to a lot of you, considering this is a fragrance channel mostly. But yeah, the overall flavor of the gum is really nice, and it sort of sticks around a little longer than a traditional gum might. But the initial texture is like quite soft, and it's not the most appealing texture for like the first 30 seconds, but you know, I've been chewing this bit for like 20 minutes now, and it reminds me of real gum. Like, not that this isn't real, but it reminds me of traditional gum, I'll say again, more so than it did earlier on when it was kind of like awkward. That softness, and it had like the shell of the gum itself wasn't like hard like a normal gum, it was like flakier. But yeah, apart from that, it's pretty awesome, I gotta say. This was $3 a pack, 21 grams, and you get, I think it's 10 pieces. Yeah, 10 pieces. So that might be too much for somebody that's just looking for gum. Like, you can just get a pack of Wrigley's for $1. So you're paying $2 more for this, but I just like the fact that it's vegan, it's plastic free, and it's biodegradable. And that's sort of like the ethos that I live my life by, or at least I try my absolute best to live my life by. If any of you guys have ever tried a similar vegan product to True Gum, let me know. And yeah, let's talk about it, because I love this stuff. I love just talking about this stuff that, you know, really resonates with me. Anyways, essential men's fragrances, just because I felt I'd be remiss not to talk a little bit more about normal fragrances. And I would say these are the 3 essentials for men. Davidoff's Cool Water, Guy Laroche's Dracar Noir, and Hugo Boss's Man. Chances are you've probably smelt all 3 of these, but if you haven't, I recommend starting with Cool Water, just because it's so easily found nowadays. This is 125 ml, yep. It's green, it's aromatic, it's a little aquatic. Performance is solid considering how cheap it is. I think I got this for $25 a bottle. And between this and Versace Blue Jeans, I wear the absolute most out of any fragrances I own. So Cool Water and Blue Jeans, one of those 2 I'll put on after I shower every night, just because they just invigorate me. They fill me with energy, and I just love the way they smell. Dracar Noir, depending on where you buy it from, it can be a little on the cheaper side, or it can be a little more expensive. I don't know. I'm pretty sure if you in terms of like pure quantity, Hugo Boss Man might be more expensive. But yeah, I got a 200ml bottle of this that I've got stacked away. I got for $40 from Chemist Warehouse. This is my favorite men's fragrance of all time. It's, you know, largely for nostalgic reasons, but yeah. This is another aromatic fragrance. It's very, very masculine in how it smells. It's got a touch of earthiness as well. A lot of lavender. It's just a great scent. And absolutely check that one out. And then you've got Hugo Boss Man. Another great scent. What have we got here? The original fresh aromatic fragrance to create your individual style. Top notes, green apple. Heart notes, aromatic notes. Oh. It's a little herbal, I suppose, and base notes of fir balsam. So it's a little sweet and it's a little woody. It's just an amazing fragrance. Yeah, that smells awesome. If you don't own this, definitely check out this one as well. I recommend all 3 of these quite easily. I need to wear this one more. Ah, that smells awesome. I don't know too many people that are actually wearing this now. Here in Australia, the only thing people seem to wear is 1 million, which I've said before on the channel. But yeah, these are what I would consider 3 essential men's fragrances. Definitely check them out if you haven't. I'll say that again. And I've actually got a couple more fragrances sitting here as well from the video I made yesterday. Jean Paul Gaultier's Le Male. Definitely worth checking out. What else? Mont Blanc's Explorer. It's an Aventus clone. Maybe the most versatile fragrance of all time. Actually, the 3 that I recommended, the essentials, they're pretty versatile as well. All seasons, all occasions, worth checking out if you haven't already. But if you're on this channel, I reckon there's a bloody good chance you've checked them out, or even that you own them. But yeah, it's a little bit of a different video today, a bit more relaxed, a bit more loose. And yeah, as always, if you want to talk about any of the things I've talked about today, just drop something in the comments. I'm usually pretty good at replying to them. I love replying to you guys, you know, I think it's the best community on YouTube. It's so friendly and positive, and I love that to death. Anyway, my name is Aussie Marcel, the most luscious locks on YouTube, and I'll catch you guys around.